Hello, and welcome to the Box Room. David Bradley here. So, today I have something to open. I do. So, first, I will unplug the Frankenstein joystick, and I will unplug all the things from this 64, and I will set it. Maybe not. Ow. Maybe I will set it up here. Perhaps. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Okay, so, as always, I do not intend for things to follow me home, but things happen. And in this case, it was not worth it to drive to have it follow me home. And so I enlisted the help of Canada Post. I did. Now, this really is an unboxing. We have paper. We have paper. Yeah, this is an example of good packaging. So let me get that out of there. I'll get the box. Oh, trapped on things. Oh wait. And here, in this reused bag, we will find a beautiful thing. Just a moment. That's it. Indeed. It is. Is that really attached? Oh yeah, it's attached. Anyway. It is a Commodore tape player. Now, is this by Commodore or by the other Commodore? The same one I have the little radio from? I don't know. But still, I decided it was worthy of joining the herd. The more I look at it, let me look at the bottom. So, I don't see anything on the bottom. I don't see anything on the back. Oh, it takes batteries. That's the way they did it back in the day. This may not be the Commodore that we all know. But still, it says it. So let me get that in there. Okay, that's back in there. And from what I was told, it did work. Now how? Oh, I just open it. And if I press play, it goes round and round. And if I press fast forward, it goes round and round faster. And if I press rewind, it goes the other way. Now, unfortunately, at this second, of course, I can't press record and play because there's no tape in it. Do I have tape handy? I don't think so. This handle is a funny little thing, and it slides. I guess it's so you can carry it easy. And I would imagine somehow you can tuck the cord inside. It does seem awfully floppy, this. It does. It has an auxiliary, an ear, a microphone, and a REM. I don't know what that means. Anyway, here we have it. A Commodore tape deck. But is it by Commodore or is it by Commodore? I don't know. And I suppose what I really need to do... Oh, sorry. We are on the air.
That was easy.
What I really need to do is find some sort of tape to put into it. And you would think, amongst all the things around here, I would have one. But I do not. So, I guess that's it, that's all. I mean, I know it kind of works. I suspect there was more to this handle. And, oh yeah, not bad. Could use a little action with a magic eraser. And I don't know why I'd ever want to have this thing sort of sitting up like this. Yeah, that doesn't do anything. I suspect there's something missing off of here. You know, I should grab the radio from downstairs and look and see if this logo looks much the same. And I suspect it will, and I suspect this is another example of where it's not that I've been fooled, but maybe I went for a little history that isn't as historic as I thought it was, in terms of the world of Commodore, which, of course, you know what, this thing is bugging me. Hang on a second. I've been trying to speak louder. Let's see about this. I've been trying to speak louder. Yeah, that looks better, I think. Anyway, back to the World of Commodore. December 2nd and December 3rd, the World of Commodore will be at the Admiral INN in Mississauga, Ontario. Do watch the TPUG website, the TPUG Facebook page, and other TPUG things for the official announcements and official word and official details, which once they're posted there, I will let you know. I don't believe they're posted there quite yet. But anyway, it will be an epic event. It will be. And who knows, maybe I'll bring my Commodore tape deck. Maybe. Maybe I should get the radio. Maybe I should look for a tape. And I'm sure there's other things that I can do here at this moment. So thanks for being here for this unboxing, unveiling. And we'll see you again. And of course, we'll see you at the World of Commodore. I gotta see if I can reach around here. Oh, bye for now.